Gauri and I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, I'll be discussing the bill behind the Advocates Act 1961 and some of the features of the bill. The bill was drafted in order to carry out the recommendations of All India Bar Committee after considering the Law Commission's proposals on judicial administration reform as well as the suggestions relating to the bar and legal education. The bill was amended to recognize the dual system in operation in the High Courts of Calcutta and Bombay by including the necessary provisions. According to the recommendations provided to the All India Bar Committee and the Law Commission, if they intend to abolish the dual system of any movement, it will only be open to two courts. The Indian Bar Councils Act 1926 as well as any other legislation on the subject may be repealed by this bill because it is a comprehensive measure. And this was published on 19th November 1959 in Section 2 of Part 2 of the Extraordinary Gazette of India. Now we'll discuss the main features of the Act. Firstly, the All India Bar Council must be established. There must be a single class of attorneys and it must grant attorneys the right to practice in any area of the country, in any High Court as well as the Supreme Court of India. Combining the bar together into a single class of legal practitioners known as advocates, the procedures of a uniform qualification for admitting individuals as advocates and qualifying them as advocates according to their merit, senior advocates and other advocates must be divided, and there must be the establishment of autonomous bar councils, one for all of India and another for each state. And that brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.